Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to disable annoying audio notification on your Windows 11 desktop home screen. So if you are popping up the any notification like a Realtek, if you are using any other manufacturer brand PC laptop, if you are getting the audio notification on your home screen, if you want to disable it, you can watch this video to disable it. Okay, so for this guys, hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. So this is the shortcut key to open the settings. In the settings, go to system. In the system, open the notifications from here. Okay, in the notification guys, scroll down and find out your audio manager. I am using Realtek HD audio in my laptop. If you want to disable this notification from here, you can easily able to disable it. Okay, that's it. If you want to customize that pop-up notification action from here, you can also able to do this. So if you want to completely disable it, just need to turn it off. That's it. Okay, so that's for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.